wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all these lights and people who talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes, as is no one and anything but us. And should it be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. All that you are is all that I ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair and like that. And in the moment I knew you better.